Hello, what's up, guys? I hope so. You are fine. I am also fine. And today I will gonna show you how to trade on MEXC. And MEXC is the world safest exchange like Binance, etc. This is the Bitcoin news and Ethereum news. The BTC Ethereum price breakout through ready to win. There are many more. The thing that I like the most, the lowest fee in the market, 0% sport maker and taker fee 0%, even 0%. This is the thing that I like the most. And future maker fee, future taker fee, all are the zero. So I will let you show. There are four section hot gainers new 24-hour volume. Hot BTC 57147. This is huge big. Ethereum 3258. PP 0.000000266 whatever. These are the hot coins of today. Gainers 754, you can see that 754, 524, 445 percentage increase today. This is the today change. These are new coin which list on the MEXC, IDX, ATR, BBL. These are the ICE network are also launched in it. So this is market setup. Back, this is market spot, future. These are markets. You can see that this is trade sheep. This is the trade of the sheep inu. This is more powerful coin. Sheep is the more powerful coin because everyone supports him. Sheep is the gateway. Sheep is the gateway of cryptocurrency. When a newcomer come into crypto market, they saw that very low fee, low price coin are in the first in 20 coins, so they buy sheep. That's why this is the gateway of cryptocurrency. Sport MX, this is the coin of MEXC. You can see that there. Today we're going to show how you trade in it. This is buy or sell. This is sport trading. So you have enough how much dollar you select their percentage 50, 70, 100, 20, how much. If you want that this when he goes to $3, then you buy, then you select their limit and select 3 and quantity how much and place order. But if you want to buy at market price, then select on market price and 20% 31 select and place the order. But if you have and you want to sell at limit price, select limit. If you want to sell at $3.5, so select $3.5 and select whatever percentage you want to sell. So if you want to sell on market price, select market price and how much percent you want to sell, place the order. So now we go to the future trade. Future is different than this is haram in Islam. So Muslim never do future trade, only sport trade. Go to future trades. Manta USDM future, these are new BRC 2.0, MEME, Web 3.0, Arbitrum Layer 2, Metaverse, POW, privacy, NFTs. These are NFTs. So we will go to new all. We will go to all. We select the, if we want to trade on BTC, we select the BTC price is 57,147. We see the chart, 1 day chart. This is going upward, bro. This is going to be upward. So we will buy or not, because there we see up, never close candle, up. We select 4 hour time frame, this is upward direction. We select 1 hour time frame, this is upward direction. It means this is all the upward direction. So we go back, and if we want to market payment, so market leverage isolated, select isolated, confirm leverage 20x, not 11x, and percentage, and buy long place order. So I hope so you will get all the information from this video. Okay, meet in next video. Okay, goodbye, take care, and like, subscribe, and share also.